Welcome to Redwood Cafe Tours. If you're traveling to Italy for the first time, you're in for a treat. Bob and Lina Campana will be your hosts. We've arranged the best guides to ensure you have an unforgettable experience. Because this is what we do at Redwood Cafe Tours, the best or nothing. Meet Davide, your amazing local guide in Sicily. Before your trip, ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. It's wise to make copies of your passport as a precaution. Also, consider purchasing travel insurance for medical emergencies and evacuation. Managing money abroad can be tricky. Using a multi-currency account like Wise helps avoid transaction fees. Remember, American Express cards aren't accepted everywhere, so carry a mix of card and cash for convenience. When traveling to Europe or anywhere else in the world, consider signing up for TSA PreCheck or Clear for faster airport security. Your flight details have been shared with Davide, and you'll receive updates via WhatsApp, a secure messaging app. This app is the best way to communicate in Europe via text messages. Language barriers can be challenging, but our guides speak English. Google Translate is a handy tool for communication. Tipping isn't mandatory in Europe, but appreciated. Our guides are already compensated. For transportation, you'll have a driver for activities. If you need a ride late at night, apps like IT Taxis and FreeNow work like Uber. They're available in many European countries, ensuring you can get around easily. In case of emergencies, keep useful phone numbers handy. Contact Davide in Sicily or Lino for assistance. Remember to stay aware of your surroundings, especially in tourist areas. Thank you for choosing Redwood Cafe Tours. Enjoy your trip, take lots of pictures, and have fun exploring Sicily. We hope you have a memorable experience and look forward to welcoming you again.